So I kind of wanted to just make this video to... Why is there a bug on my light? Ew! Actually, that's expensive. Ah, it's gonna fall! Hi friends! It's been quite a while and I'm really excited to be back on my YouTube channel, so thanks for tuning in. If you haven't been on my channel before, hi, my name is Taylor Renee, and if you have, then welcome back. It's been quite a while, but it's been quite a while, man. So the reason I wanted to make a video like this is just to kind of explain what I've been up to in the last 5 years, because that's a bit of time to be absent from my channel. If you have no interest in that at all, oh, the bug is back! If you don't care about what I've been up to, it's fine. Just go enjoy my old videos and my yellow lighting. But if you do want to know what I've been up to, then stay tuned. So part of the reason why I took a break from YouTube was my setup. I did not have a really great setup when I was in high school. If all of you who watch my videos remember, I had this ugly yellow lighting and I had my Taylor Lautner poster in the back. I wasn't producing the quality that I really wanted for you guys, and so I just felt like I'll put it off until college. And then when I got to college, which I ended up going to Azusa Pacific in Southern California, then I had a dorm and I was always sharing my living space with someone else, so it was really awkward for me to like have a setup and be like, hello, in front of a camera when I had roommates walking in and out. So I kept putting it off, and I, eventually found that I was most comfortable in my room. The same one with the yellow lighting, but I think I fixed it. And I could do that again, well, once I graduate college. So I graduated a few months ago and here I am back in my room. So I hope you guys enjoy the setup, because that's why it's taken 5 years. So like I said, guys, I ended up going to APU. I ended up being on a dance team again. If you remember, I love hip-hop, so I ended up being on a hip-hop team over there and studying business marketing, which was really awesome. During my second year of APU, I decided to study abroad to Lithuania, which is in Eastern Europe. And while I was there, I met my boyfriend, and I actually got really bad travel bug. I ended up traveling to 15 countries in only my first semester, which was actually crazy. But I really became passionate about traveling, so I ended up going back to Europe many times after to keep traveling and studying and working. So that was really cool, just learning about different cultures and languages and eating so much food. Oh my gosh, I ate so much food. No, but it was really fun. In the past 2 years, I've been to 22 countries, a lot of them that I've gotten back to, and that has become a huge part of my life. If you guys want to hear more about that, or stories, or me do vlogs, I'd absolutely love to. If you're not interested in that at all, no problem. I just really want to do makeup on this channel, so that's what I'm here for. But I just wanted to update you guys on kind of what my life has been about, and that's been a huge part of my life. So yeah, other than that, I'm back home. I'm ready to record. If you guys have any specific videos that you want to see, then comment down below. I have a lot of plans for different videos that I want to record. This look being one of them, just like everyday glam. I'm really excited to, finally put out some good content. Well, thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. And just like old times, bye-bye. So the reason I actually wanted to make a video like this is just because I feel like I owe you guys some sort of an explanation for just like dropping off the face of the earth for 5 years.
Wow.
No. If I haven't seen you before, or you haven't seen me before, I haven't seen you. I definitely haven't seen you.